Hey folks, Thomas here over at Mears Lab, and in today's video I thought that we would do something kind of fun. We would test out this Saramonic LavMicro microphone, and I think that'll be fun because well, we can do a bit of a comparison as to like what this microphone here sounds like compared to the ones that are inside the camera that you're listening to right now. So yeah, basically in this video we're going to compare what the sound of this camera sounds like compared to this microphone. And the camera is a Canon RP. And yeah, once again, it's just the built-in microphones, whatever they are on the camera. And this is a Saramonic LavMicro. You've got a pretty good idea of what my voice sounds like right now. And I just took this thing out of the box. I haven't done anything with it. I haven't even taken the twist tie off of the cable here yet. So let's take that off right now. Put that over there like that, and then we're gonna take this big super long wire and oh boy, is that ever a long wire. I've got a cable tie here for it that I'm not gonna bother putting on right now. Put that on a little bit. Oh, just dropped something. Put that on a little bit here, and I think we're gonna put this mic clip on here right now. We'll just tear that open like that, take that, and we're gonna clip this microphone on here, or this clip onto this microphone like so. And with a lav microphone like this, I think that the best position is sort of to have it right in the middle of the chest here, sort of right there. That's where I like to have it. So, and because I don't really care what it looks like, because this is, you know, we're just testing it out and stuff, you know, I wouldn't normally just clip it right on there. Well, maybe I would, actually, I don't know. But anyways, yeah, that's what it looks like. And something I think that's worth noting is that there's a little box right here. And on this box, there's a couple of settings on the back of it that I'm not going to bother zooming into right now because it's really small and hard to see. But anyways, it looks like it has like an off and an on button, and you have to turn it on whenever it's set to camera. So hopefully I'm going to turn it on because it has a little camera picture there. And hopefully that does something cool. I don't know. Okay, so here's the moment of truth, folks. I'm going to plug it in, and let's hear what it sounds like, okay? Hopefully this works. Okay, let's plug it in. I'm going to plug it in. Okay, now we're listening to the sound of the lav mic, or at least we should be. Let's tap on it just to make sure, okay? So here's the lav. Oh yeah. And here's the camera. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure that we are actually hearing the sound from the lav microphone right now, and hopefully it sounds good. Okay, so let's just mess around with that little setting on the back of it just for fun here. Okay, so right now, once again, it's on the on setting. Now let's turn it to the off setting. So let's turn it back on again. Yeah, I don't think that you could hear anything a second ago. So there you go. That's this is what the Saramonic LavMicro sounds like. I honestly have no idea what it sounds like because I have to like play back the video and then listen to it back before I'll know. But you know what it sounds like, and hopefully you like the way that it sounds. And I'm pretty sure that it's going to sound awesome. I mean, it looks great, and I like that it's got this control box, and it's got this really, really long wire. The handy thing about the long wire is that you don't have to worry about it like, you know, like that you can get really far away from the camera, and that you don't have to worry about the cable like being like really like tight and like strung across the room and you're going to trip across it or anything like that. It's just kind of annoying, you know? So it's kind of cool. It's sort of like a safety thing here. It's really nice, you know? And I gotta say, one of the other things I really like about it is, you know, I have some wireless lav microphones, and those are really handy. I like it. But I will say that one thing I don't really like about using those, not to be too negative about them, but I'm not a big fan of charging the batteries in them all the time, frankly, you know, like, and when I'm recording videos like this and I'm just sitting in front of the camera, I don't think that there's really a need to actually have wireless, because also in the back of my head, I know that it's sort of like interfering with the sound quality a little bit as well too. Whenever you plug a microphone directly into something, it generally always sounds a little bit better. But anyways, that's all like sort of besides the point, because I really like just the simplicity of just plugging a microphone right into the camera and getting like super awesome sound quality. And that's really what I think the best part about this Saramonic LavMicro is because it's just super simple and easy to use, and I think that it's probably going to sound pretty good. I hope that it does. And once again, it's got that really nice long cable and this cool little control box with a little clip there. You could just put it on like on your belt or whatever, you know. And I gotta say, it's pretty dandy. So yeah, well, you know, here's I guess it's about time to wrap up the video now. And And once again, before I do that, maybe we'll just do a little bit of a comparison. So once again, this is the sound of the Saramonic LavMicro microphone. And now let's switch back to the camera here. So there we go. I've unplugged it, and now we're listening to the sound of the Canon RP microphones as well. And so let's go back to the LavMicro again. Okay, and now we're back to the Saramonic LavMicro again. Okay, folks, I really want to thank you for watching this video, and if you have anything you'd like to share, then don't hesitate. Please leave a comment down in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the Mears Lab channel as well too. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.